Welcome to Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Raleigh, and here's an exclusive look at one of our premium vehicles that comes equipped with heated front seats, weather-band radio, auto high-beam headlamp control, keyless entry, rear dual-zone AC, heated door mirrors, wood dashboard insert, ventilated front seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, rear-view camera, and has less than 40,000 miles on the odometer. As America's only Rolls-Royce standalone dealership, we are proud to offer our customers a luxury experience when it comes to purchasing a vehicle. We have a world-class staff that is happy to offer service like no other. You can always expect a VIP experience at Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Raleigh. So come see our unique inventory today.